Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. In this video, we will learn an algebra problem which is very common in various competitive exams. So, look at the problem. If x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x plus 1 by x? So, let's start. Our given problem can be written as x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Here we have taken minus 3x in the right hand side. Now we will divide the both sides by x. So write it as x square plus 1 by x is equal to 3x by x. In the left hand side, we will simplify it as x square by x plus 1 by x. And in the right hand side, x gets cancelled and we get 3. Now again simplify the left hand side. Here x gets cancelled and we get x and 1 by x remains here. So we get x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So look, we have found the value of x plus 1 by x, which is 3. Thank you for watching.